Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and this is what's jumping in my pot today. I decided to make a simple, quick, easy dish that you can serve for your summer barbecue, or you can take to on a picnic or a cookout. Let's get to it. Let's get to the ingredients. I have here diced celery, diced pickles, black pepper, salt, sugar, Dijon mustard, mayonnaise, vinegar, diced bell peppers. I have green, red, and orange. And of course, the elbow macaroni. Now I have a cast iron pot here, and we're going to turn it on. And I've added some salt to the water already. We're going to bring the water to a boil. Then after it becomes to a boil, we're going to add the macaroni and let it cook. You cook it according to directions on the box. My macaroni says 5 to 7 minutes. Oh, yes, and I forgot to say, we're going to grate up a red onion and garlic into the macaroni salad. I've taken the macaroni out of the pot and drained it. And now it's time for all the ingredients to jump in the bowl. I'm going to grate the red onions. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Now we're going to grate the garlic. The celery, the tricolor peppers, the pickles, the vinegar, the mayonnaise, the Dijon mustard, black pepper, salt, and sugar. Now we're going to mix all of these up together. Now this is served best if it's chilled. You put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for about an hour or two. Here you have it, macaroni salad. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. And also don't forget to check out some of my older videos in the screen below. Bye.